guys, my name is Brett. I'm with Chatttown Jeepers.
And I'm Brady with Traillogic Industries. We are here today with MadRam 11 to talk about coilover suspension and why it's important when building a rig like this TJ behind me. Also, hydraulic bump stops and how they play a key role in setting up a custom suspension system. These are Radflo 2.0 emulsion coilovers. The multi-stage compression and rebound damping characteristics of these shocks can be independently customized to suit your rig and driving style. All components of Radflo coilovers can be serviced or replaced as needed for a virtually unlimited life of the shock. Brett is running the 2-inch travel bumps from Radflo. Bump stops are critical in keeping your coilover suspension alive on the trail. They help increase damping resistance as the suspension reaches maximum compression, keeping heavy impacts from damaging suspension components. These bumps can be set up in various configurations to suit your current suspension system or a new one. So now that we got everything welded and wrapped up, we want to kind of touch back on how we got to where we are. So first thing that we did was determine what the best mounting location was for the actual bump stops and the cans. And you want to start there because it's typically where you don't have as many options. And once we determined that, we used a piece of just regular steel in place of the bump stop and set it up as if the bump stop was in full bump. And then we started to measure for building these pads. And obviously what the pads do is, strike the bottom of the bump and, follow it up all the way through its travel. But what you want to do is make sure that, when this thing is at full bump, whether the axle is up like this or at full bump on both sides, that you're getting a good contact on this bump stop and it's cycling through all of its travel. So we got the install done on these Radflo bump stops. The purpose of these bump stops in a coilover suspension application is to damp the load on the last 2, 3, or 4 inches of the travel. It helps, smooth out the ride, no, breakage in the suspension components from a hard shock load or a hard hit, and really, just make it more comfortable in an expensive rig like this while you're on the trail or, cruising down the road. So thanks again to Radflo and from MadRam, of course, for letting us do this video, supplying these awesome parts. These bump stops are the best of the best, and we're really excited to have them on this rig, get them out and really put them to the test after a little more fine tuning. And I think that's going to wrap it up. So thanks again, guys, for watching. If you're curious about what we do here at Traillogic, give us a shout. Call the shop, Facebook or Instagram, message us. We're happy to help with any projects you might have. Again, Radflo, MadRam, you guys are awesome. And hopefully we'll see everybody at Crawling for Reed. See you later.
If you have any questions about Radflo products, please click the link in the description below.
And don't forget to follow Traillogic Industries on Facebook and Instagram at Traillogic Industries.
Also, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications for updates and videos.
And thanks guys for watching. We'll see you next time.